Hello, all. Today I'm looking at a new feature in that is how to use conversational AI in mobile app. By using this feature, we can use AI automation in our Go-level program for sending messages on supported channels, and we can quickly send suggestions or edit them before sending. And we can use three modes such as suggestive mode, autopilot mode, and feedback and bot training. In suggestive mode, we can receive AI-based suggestions for new messages or supported channels. In autopilot mode, we can automatically send responses to new incoming queries in messages. And feedback and bot training, we can provide the feedback to train the AI bot from auto-generated responses. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into settings. After that, you need to get into conversational AI. After that, I will get an option like this: bot settings, bot trial, bot training, configure intents, and the supported channels like SMS, live chat, Instagram, Facebook, and some other. These are some where the this feature is supported, and we can use this feature. Okay, after that, uh, in documentation, I'm showing this is I told you in suggestion mode. We can support the channels and we can quickly send suggestions or edit them before sending. In automatically mode, we can send responses to new incoming query in messages, and we can also provide the feedback to the bot training. And like if example, and this is available from three version 3.71 or later on Go-HighLevel, and we can use lead connector for white label request and update. And this plan is available in $497 only. And other than this, there are for other plans it is not available. And we can also I can show a sample here. I can, for example, this is a mobile app test user. If someone this as AI is asking what services do you provide, in that case AI will be generating some messages. And after that, we can also here we can see like so here we are tracking like what services do you provide. Automatically, the AI is telling we can handle something lead connector and white label app something. It is reflecting. Here we can connect Instagram, we can connect Google My Business, any other social media platforms, and we can test it that time also. And these are the some use cases, like for example, if there is anything related to send bot, it will go for sleep for 2 hours. After that, it will work as it is like normal or the automation works. This is one cool feature, like we can use this and we can reduce the AI chat support within the customers and we can increase the sales and much more. Thank you.